Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video at 7 in the morning. I'm doing some eBay to Amazon flipping, doing a bunch of sourcing. And I wanted to make this video because, you know what? I'll tell you right now, first and foremost, I'm not attacking eBay sellers. I'm an eBay seller, even though I'm not selling on eBay right now. That's how I really made my start after flipping bikes on Craigslist, did $20,000 plus my first year, quit the Cracker Barrel, and pretty much went full-time into eBay for years. Now I'm selling on Amazon FBA primarily. I still sell a couple things on eBay, but let's just be honest, like I'm not an eBay seller anymore, but I have nothing but love for eBay sellers. But one thing that drives me freaking insane now that I purchase a lot of items from eBay to Amazon, so I'm dealing with a lot of eBay sellers, is this one thing right here. And please, I want you to understand that there's a difference between brand new and used, or at least brand new and open box. And I see this all the time. I'm actually looking at an item right here that I was potentially going to flip on Amazon. This game right here, this Star Wars Trivial Pursuit, is selling for, I think it is selling for, let me see. That one's actually a good one as well. Nope, that's another good one. Sorry, I'm looking at a bunch of things. Oh, that's another good one. Giving you guys leads left and right. Oh, that's another good one. Where are we here? Oh, right here. So you can see this is selling for $156 new on Amazon. It's selling about 9 times a month, 282,000 rank. And I was looking to pay, let me see, let me run some numbers here. I was looking to pay at most $95, but I really wanted to pay $75, make $48, 30% profit margin, 64% ROI. And a cool feature with SellerAmp here is you can actually hit search eBay and it'll go right into the to the search. And then what I typically do is I go to lowest first, and then I will filter it by new, because that's typically what I'm going after. I will sell used as well, but with used, you really got to be careful. But this one thing drives me absolutely insane. eBay sellers, this is not brand new. I see this all the time. Like people ask me, like, what's your pet peeve reselling? This is my pet peeve. Going on to eBay and you're listing the item as brand new, but it's not. It's open box. This is a used item right here, okay? So I don't understand. I get it. Like if you look inside, it is actually like it's new. Like the pieces haven't been used, but the box is open. This comes with shrink wrap right here, okay? So if you open up the package, and even if it's new inside, you're not supposed to sell that as new. Now it says open box right here, but the issue is they categorized this wrong when they were choosing the listing. They shouldn't have put it under brand new. That was the issue. And here's another one right here. They've got this as brand new, so I was super excited. This one's actually closer to brand new. The reason I didn't pick this one up, and someone could flip this, there's a couple little issues back here. It's torn up a little bit. Could I sell this on Amazon and get away with it? Probably. But, you know, the terms of service on Amazon say it's got to be like brand new, as if it's on the shelf. Like if it was just like that right here where my mouse is hovering, I'd be okay. But this big tear right here, when someone's paying $150, especially if like they're a collector, which could possibly be the case with this item right here, I just wouldn't want to take the risk. So the reason I wanted to come to you guys with this video was just to share, like, listen, if you're going to be selling on eBay, this is not brand new. Another person did it right here again. And I see this all the time. This is not brand new. This is opened. All right. This is well, I guess the pieces are new inside. And really, you know, people try to come off like they're you know, they don't know what they're doing. You know exactly what you're doing. You're trying to get the ranking for brand new, and then you're going to disappoint somebody. Like this isn't new. This is used right here. So if you're going to sell on eBay, just know there's a difference between brand new, open box, and used. Technically, this is, I guess, you know, it could be classified as new because the pieces are still, you know, sealed to an extent. Like at least the cards are. I think I could see a seal on one of those pictures. But do you think someone's going to be happy, a customer, if they pay $150 and it's supposed to be brand new? You think little Jimmy's going to be excited when he opens up the, you know, his Christmas present or his birthday gift, and you know, he opens it up and like the box, the seal's already been opened, the pieces are already out. Like, come on. So yeah, if you're doing eBay to Amazon flips, also keep in mind you're not going to be able to sell this as new on Amazon. It has to be new as if it's on the shelf. Could you get away with 1 to 2%, like a little tear here and there? You could. I try not to push my luck, but yeah, just want to make this video. And let me know down below in the comments if you're doing any eBay to Amazon flipping and if you deal with this. I deal with this all the time, and you've got to be very, very careful. And yeah, if you guys need any help with getting started doing eBay to Amazon flips, I'll put some links down below. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at Rake and Profit. Send me a DM if you have a question. And with that being said, much love, and let's get after it.